Let's look at how we can duplicate objects along a curve. First, let's create a sphere. Reduce the poly count a little. Apply smooth shading to it. Now, let's create a path for the sphere to follow. Let's enable the snap option and select increments, also enabling grid snap. In the edit mode, press G and then X to move and adjust the starting position of the path. Let's extrude the path a little. Once the path is created, go into the Modifier tab of the sphere. Select Array Modifier. Let's change the fit type to curve and select the path we just created. Next, apply a curve modifier and select the path once again. The duplicates will now follow the curve. We can adjust the relative offset for the desired effect, but as we can see here, the spheres deform around the curvature. If you want the shapes to remain intact, let's look at another way how we can achieve those results. First, let's create a plane. In the edit mode, let's scale down the sphere a little so that it fits nicely within the plane. Next, select the sphere and then the plane and click Ctrl and P to parent the object. Go to the object properties of the plane and select Instancing and Faces from the options. Now, let's add an array modifier to the plane. Followed by a curve modifier as shown earlier. This helps create duplicates without deformation. Select the path and make the necessary adjustments. Once the shape has been finalized, select the objects and from the Object menu, select Apply and then Make Instances Real. Now we can see all the shapes that have been created. Let's quickly enable the Render and Viewport tab. Let's hide both planes and the path from Renders and Viewport. As we move the objects, we can see the base object here. We can either choose to hide or delete it. Since these are instances, they are linked, and if we wanted to edit one of them individually, we can see that it affects all the other shapes equally. To fix that, from the Object mode, select the object that you want to separate and go to the Object Data Property window and click the Unlink button to separate the object. You can separate all the objects similarly by selecting all of them, going into the Object menu, selecting Relations and applying Single User for the objects and their data. This way you can edit each shape individually. You can use this second method to create different patterns using different shapes without deforming the duplicates. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.